you're going to look for in your opponent that's not correct. This is how you're going to exploit your opponent's weaknesses. So now you can see there's more, everyone has more of a foundation. You're going to, and as you go through it, you'll figure out, to me, open the foot up more, because you're more on the tightrope. Down, there, open, open, keep going, down, back a little bit, open, there. There's where your stance is. You never cross your feet. When the stance stays, you never walk. Because as I walk, my feet are going to cross. My feet, the closer they get, that's when I'm keying out for the takedown. I'm never moving side to side like this. My feet are always going to stay where they are. When I move, I'm moving here. We're going to do the motion next. I'm going to absorb everything here. Here. You're not rocking back and forth. You're not coming up and down. That's the motion that you need. So what we're going to do, let's set up here. Let's create some lines here. One line here, one here, 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 here. Just a couple deep. We're just going to walk down the mat 1 inch, 1 inch. Once you have this in play, and now everyone behind, so everyone have like about 4 lines, 5 lines, you can watch everyone's stance and see if they're doing it right. And this is a way I can see everything at one time. I can correct off the bat. All right, so first group, come on down. Okay, so I don't want to hear any Frankensteins. Frankenstein, you know what an arm bar is, you know what side control, you know the Kimura, you see them, but you can't go to them right away because you haven't done it 5 million times. But as you get faster in your transitions, you go to them quicker, and typically the higher belts can hit things faster in transition. So by being in a better position, by using better technique and creating an environment for your opponent to be out of position, you'll be faster and your techniques will be cleaner, all right? Next group. Stance. So you're in your good stance here. Awesome. So if I'm in here and I'm doing this and I'm walking and switching my stances here, see this? As I go to switch my stance, that's when you're going to shoot. Boom. Because my feet are in the wrong place. So if you do switch your stance, which it's going to be a preference of how you like to do it, I wouldn't be in here just switching for switching's sake. Because it's not going to net you anything unless you're doing something to switch, move, and you're switching to fire. If you're going to switch because you actually want, those are the 4 of the first basic things you learned, you did. Basic shot, single leg, high crotch single, then what's called an outside single, high crotch to a double, and a straight double to a lift and collapse. We're going to go through, there's more finishes, singles to a lift, single to double, single to a called a dunk. You combine those 3, you have a straight double to a lift, which we did, straight double to a drive. You have the last head double here. You have, when I set up for a high crotch, you sprawl, I go to a guillotine for headlock, dars, and kind of different things, rolls. So we start putting the building blocks together. But today, I really feel everybody picked up the technique very nice. You know, I wouldn't move on in the very beginning stages when we're putting, like, say, the fundamentals together.